Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Ring Hardwired Kit is probably one of the most essential upgrades for any modern home, offering a seamless blend of security and convenience. This video will dive deep into the Ring Hardwired Kit, exploring its features, installation process, and overall performance. We'll cover everything you need to know to determine if this is the right choice for your home security needs, so you can make an informed decision. Number 5. Ring Wired Doorbell Pro. See more of who stops by with the improved 1536p head-to-toe HD Plus video. It helps you check in on package deliveries down low. This feature ensures you don't miss a thing. Know when someone's in your front yard with advanced motion settings. You'll get more accurate real-time alerts in the Ring app. It helps you stay informed about what's happening around your home. Pinpoint motion and distance with 3D motion detection and bird's eye view. This feature provides an aerial view to track motion around your home. You can also map out your detection zones. Speak to visitors when you can't get to the door with built-in Alexa greetings. This is an exclusive feature with a Ring Protect Plan subscription. It offers convenient communication. Hardwire it to your existing doorbell wiring and doorbell chime inside. Use the included tool kit for around-the-clock power and peace of mind. This ensures continuous operation. With a Ring Protect plan, record all your videos and review what you missed for up to 180 days. You can also share videos and photos. This plan offers comprehensive protection. Pair it with select Alexa-enabled devices to enable announcements and two-way talk. With a Ring Protect plan, Alexa can also make voice announcements and show live video. This provides convenient in-home monitoring. What we like. This doorbell offers head-to-toe HD Plus video, so you can see more of your visitors. It also has 3D motion detection, which is incredibly accurate. If you want the best possible view and the most advanced features, this is the one for you. What people say. The installation was seamless. The picture is very sharp. The Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2 is easy to install and set up. Number 4. Ring Video Doorbell Wired, newest. This doorbell lets you see, hear, and speak to visitors from anywhere. It features two-way talk, allowing you to communicate with anyone at your front door. You'll receive real-time alerts on your phone. With its 1080p HD camera, you'll get a clear view of your front door. The two-way talk feature allows you to have conversations with visitors. It also has advanced motion detection. Get instant notifications sent straight to your phone whenever motion is detected. Advanced motion detection helps you know when someone's at your door. You can customize privacy settings. Even in the dark, you won't miss a detail. The night vision feature provides sharp contrast, ensuring you can always see who's there. The device is hardwired for continuous power. With a Ring Home subscription, you can save recorded videos and get alerts for people and packages. The subscription is sold separately. You can rewatch your videos anytime. Pair it with Alexa for added convenience. You can hear motion alerts on your compatible Echo device. You can also see a live view on your Echo Show, Fire TV, or Fire tablet. What we like. This model provides a clear 1080p HD video and two-way talk, allowing you to communicate with visitors. The advanced motion detection ensures you're always aware of activity at your door. If you're looking for a reliable and affordable option with essential features, this is a great choice. What people say. It features an advanced motion detection system that allows for customizable alert motion zones. It is extremely intuitive to set up. Thumbs up, all the way. Compatibility with Alexa. When Amazon acquired Ring a while back, I just knew that integration with Echo devices would probably only improve, but even knowing that, I was impressed. You can define specific devices you want them to work with. It allows for tons of customization including ringtones. The video quality is clear, even at night, and the app makes it easy to check who's at the door from anywhere. The motion detection is accurate, and the installation wasn't difficult. Number 3. Ring Video Doorbell Wired, 2021, Corner Kit. This corner kit helps you adjust the viewing angle of your doorbell. It allows you to tilt it towards your walkway, giving you a better view of visitors and improving motion detection. With this kit, you can optimize the placement of your doorbell. This ensures that it captures motion more effectively, providing you with timely alerts and a clearer picture of what's happening outside your door. The kit offers a 25-degree adjustment. This flexibility ensures that you can customize the view to suit your specific needs and the layout of your property. The mount is paintable. You can easily match it to your home's exterior, ensuring a seamless and aesthetically pleasing installation. This corner kit is specifically designed for the Ring Video Doorbell Wired 2021 release. Make sure it is the right fit for your device. The kit includes one mount. Note that corner mounts cannot be stacked with each other, but they can be used with wedge mounts. What we like. This kit allows you to adjust the viewing angle of your doorbell. It's easy to install and can be painted to match your home. If you have an off-center doorway or want to customize the look of your setup, this is the perfect accessory. What people say. This repositioned the video camera to get a more inclusive view of the door approach. Camera angle is spot on and I couldn't be more pleased. Perfect fit. Allows my doorbell which sits in a corner get just the right angle without catching all the brick next to it. Number 2. Ring Retrofit Alarm Kit, Convert Wired Sensors. Do you have wired security sensors? This kit allows you to easily integrate them with your Ring alarm system. It's a simple way to modernize your home security. The Retrofit Alarm Kit connects your existing wired contact sensors to the Ring alarm. Once connected, they function seamlessly as part of your Ring system. Receive instant mobile notifications when your wired sensors are triggered. You can also arm and disarm the system directly from the Ring app. The Ring app lets you manage all your Ring devices, including your existing wired sensors, doorbells, and cameras. It's all in one convenient location. For optimal performance, professional installation is recommended. This ensures everything is set up correctly and functioning properly. With a Ring Home subscription, you can record 24/7, review past events, and receive alerts. It also works with Alexa for voice control. What we like. This kit lets you integrate your existing wired security sensors with the Ring alarm system. You'll receive mobile notifications and can manage everything through the Ring app. If you already have wired sensors and want to upgrade to a smart home security system, this is the ideal solution. What people say. The Retrofit Kit allows you to use the existing sensors in your home. This is a project that a homeowner with a reasonable wiring knowledge can do alone. Very reliable system. I've had zero problems after 6 months. Number 1. Ring Spotlight Cam Wired Hardwired Kit, White. This kit is designed to convert your Ring Spotlight Cam wired. It provides everything you need for a seamless upgrade, ensuring continuous power for your device. The kit offers multiple secure mounting options. It plugs directly into your existing junction box, making installation straightforward and hassle-free. With this hardwired kit, you can say goodbye to battery changes. It provides your Spotlight Cam with non-stop power, ensuring it's always ready. The kit includes a pogo pin conversion collar, various box covers, mounting gaskets, and screws. It also comes with a hanging hook and a sticker. The kit provides a variety of covers to fit different junction box configurations. This ensures that it will fit your existing setup. What we like. This kit provides non-stop power for your Spotlight Cam wired. It offers secure mounting options and is easy to install. If you want to ensure your Spotlight Cam is always on and ready, this kit is a must-have. What people say. This product allows you to convert the plug-in Ring to a hardwired design. Kit comes with everything you'll need and extra to hardwire your Spotlight camera. Comes with assortment of hardware, 3 different mounting plates with gasket, and great instructions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.